Hello, everyone. Our team is the Task Flow, and this is our team project. So basically, our project is that we have a dashboard that user can create tasks for their team, and for this team, they can invite other members to join and also work on the same task. And also for different users, they work as a team so that they can see the dependencies between different tasks, and also they can review each other's tasks. And here is a quick demo that we show what we have accomplished. So this page right now you see is the sign-in page to our app. So there is also a create account button. When you click on that button, you will need to put some information there. So basically, what you need is your first name, and you need to create a username, which does not to be unique, and also email and password. There is no email notification at this step. We will do it later at the forget password step. So let's go back to the login page. And for example, we have already created an example email for demonstration. And here, Alex is logging into his account. And here, this is the main page of our task. So here you can see that there are three main parts. The left part is whatever pages you can select from. There is a dashboard and there is a My Task page. And on the center top part, there is all the task infos that we you can see for all the tasks you have. So it shows the name and the description. So for testing purpose, we've already created four tasks, which is shown right now here. And they are named test 001, test 999, test 888, and test 777. So here we can do some quick actions. First, we can create a new task. So clicking this button, it will automatically call the APIs at the backend to insert a new task into the task database. What you need for a task is the name and the start date. So here Alex can select maybe Thursday, let's say March 13th, yeah, and a time for the start date of the task, and also a end time. And here, there is one thing that you need to do is to assign this tag to some people. So right now, the database has been cleared, and there is only one registered user, which is Alex himself. His name is test1555. But if there are more users in this database, it will show more users, and you can see from the demo page that we can add more users to the assignee page. And the dependency part is where you can assign this tag to be related to another task. So for example, maybe you create one first task and you want to assign it so that it follows a different task, task B, and you can just add it in the dependency part here. But right now, since this is the first task we created, so there is no dependencies listed here. So there is nothing need to be selected. And for the description, just briefly mention what task this need to be done. And create will just automatically insert one task into the main page, which can be shown on the timeline. And it is dynamic so that when the user changes the start and end date of the task, it will automatically be updated. The location of the task on the timeline will be updated. So, and the second feature we want to share is how you can edit a task. So this, you need to go to the My Task page. So in this page, there is a whole new demonstration of tasks is shown in different progress states. So the initial state of the task created will be in the in progress state, which are currently all the tasks in. And the second stage will be the review stage, which the user, it means the task has been done, but needs someone else to review the task. And if you finish one task, you can just simply change the progress of the task in this page here and add it to the review stage. And after that, you can change it to the done state as well. So right now, since none of the tasks is complete, so Alex won't be actually changing the progress. He will show you what the change progress page looks like. So clicking it, it will automatically give you two selection options. The first is to promote to the next progress state, and the second is to backlog it to the previous progress state. And here is the all the buttons, and it will automatically change the state of the task. But we also have another API which is to edit the task infos. So Alex, if you can like click the edit part, then here you can see that the text info here can be changed. One more feature we have here is the percentage feature, which is the user can edit by how much percentage we have completed this task. So you can drag it to different percentages and it will be dynamically updated. So let's say Alex just drag it to, yeah, this and submit. Then it says task update has been updated. And you can see in the progress bar that it has been updated dynamically as well. And we also have an advanced feature, which is to detect cycles in tasks. What this means is that when you create dependencies for tasks, it might be there might be some confusions when the graph get too complicated. So maybe you have three tasks, and each depends on another one, and this creates a cycle which should not be allowed. So we will show in our in this demo that we have some detection mechanism that you cannot create a cycle. So Alex, can you go to the My Task page? And yeah, for task 999, this is the task we've created. And if you add task 888 as the dependency, which uh, in our test cases, it should be a dependency cycle. And when you submit it, there will be a bar showing that dependency cycles detected. So this action is not allowed. The user must to edit the task to the original state, which the dependency must be break before he can insert a new task. And finally, we have another feature, which is the My Info page. So Alex, if you can go to the My Info page here, and here we shows the user first name and username and email. And we can click the edit button to edit the user's email or any info that he wants. So maybe Alex, you can update your username to a new one. And it shows success, then your information has been updated. And also we created a mechanism for users to log out as well, to retrieve their password as well. So Alex, can you log out first? And then here, when you click on the forget password here, it takes you to a new page, which you need to enter your email and it will send you an email verification code. Then you can use the verification code and the new password combined to reset your password for your account. So this step, we make sure that the user can retrieve it and protect their information safely because he need to first verify that his email is uh, correct. So Alex, can you send the code to your email?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. One sec. It's receiving the code. All right, so I got it, and it is 161807, and then uh okay. All right.
The
Sounds
password reset successfully, then in the login page, the user can log in using their new password. Alex, can you show that?
yeah. There we go.
Great. And that's all for our quick demo video of what we have done for this team project. Thank you very